No worries, we got you covered. We will show you the best GoPro selfie sticks in this review. There's something for everyone's budget here, so I'm sure you will easily find a GoPro selfie stick you love. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Please watch the video in full. Share more videos of the product so that everyone can benefit from seeing the reviews. Number 1. Extendable Selfie Stick for GoPro. The selfie stick tripod is compatible with GoPro Hero 8 divided by GoPro Hero 7 Black divided by GoPro Hero 6 divided by GoPro Hero 5, DJI Osmo Action, and other occasion cameras. The selfie stick tripod is extendable, 3-stage adjustment. The selfie stick is designed for vlog, lightweight and portable for travel and daily vlog. It can be used as a selfie stick for vlog or tripod stand for video recording. Mini, lightweight, portable, high quality. Number 2. Cuptone waterproof case for GoPro. Easy installation. Pry open the top latch. Pull the latch upwards with a little force and the latch will pop open. Pull the door off. Pull the door and let it hang down to place the camera in the case. Close the waterproof case. Gently push the door inward and lay down the latch to hook the door. Press down on the latch to close the housing. Clear shooting effect. 60 meters divided by 196 feet. Waterproof characteristic helps you capture your movements underwater to a maximum degree. HD lens with highlight transmittance makes this waterproof case perfect for making a clear shooting underwater. Number 3. Husaway accessories kit for GoPro Hero. Specially designed for GoPro Hero 10 Hero 9 Black. All mounts in this bundle are compatible with both GoPro Hero 10 and Hero 9 perfectly. This Husaway accessories set contains all the basic and useful mounts to make you expending the camera fun. This accessory kit additionally contains the waterproof housing, silicone case, glass screen protector for GoPro 10 GoPro 9. The selfie stick is made of aluminum alloy, durable with length of 36.6 inches. The quality and function is much better than the ones in other kits. It's a perfect choice of birthday, Christmas, Halloween, Black Friday holiday for GoPro Hero 10 Hero 9 Black. Number 4. Waterproof floating hand grip compatible with GoPro Hero. The special designed floaty body of the handler makes your GoPro float better than ever and prevents GoPro from sinking, so you can shoot in or around the water without any worry. Comfortable, textured non-slip grip handle construction for a secure and tight grip. The special TPE rubber pole is neither as sticky as ordinary rubber, nor as easily corroded by seawater as a foam handle. Bright orange piece is easy to spot if you ever drop it in the water. The watertight hollow compartment of the floaty handheld monopod can be used as storage for your valuable small items to waterproof, or to achieve neutral buoyancy during underwater activities. Easy to install without any other mount accessories. Number 5. Backpack shoulder strap mount camera with adjustable shoulder pad. Non-slip material. The back of the backpack shoulder strap mount is made of non-slip material, which can effectively prevent the shoulder clip from sliding freely. The large Velcro is sturdy and durable, and the two wings are precisely sized to fit the strap. Quick installation. The installation method of the quick release slider can be fixed by sliding, which is convenient and quick. The 360-degree slide base can meet your shooting requirements at any angle. Please adjust the angle after installing the camera.